Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ay isang timeless love reading for you. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And also a general reading, so just take what resonates, watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book. Okay, Scorpio, let's see love life ninyo. You and your person, what are the energies between you and your person? Okay. So, energy from your past, Three of Cups. So, maaring you've been enjoying your time together. Pwedeng kayo ay lumalabas madalas, especially with friends, having a good time, party, ganyan. Let's see. What is the Three of Cups? And recently, meron kayong celebration. So, pwedeng meron kayong celebrate na importanteng bagay sa inyong relationship. Example, anniversary, monthsary, or merong achievement no sa inyong personal life na celebrate nyo pareho. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, so this is a new beginning for you. So yung iba, maaring meron kayong celebrate na related sa new beginnings ninyo. Yung iba, bagong trabaho, bagong career, bagong business na you've been enjoying. Now, the energy of your person is the Queen of Wands. So, paaring the person that you're dealing with is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Very passionate yung energy ng person na to. What is the Queen of Wands? Ace of Swords. I think your person is someone na very reassuring, no? Kapag nagsalita siya, nagsabi siya sa'yo ng feelings niya, napakaliwanag. May pagkaano siya, yung poetic, no? Ibig sabihin kapag siya ay nag-explain, nagpahayag ng nararamdaman niya, maliwanag na maliwanag sa'yo. Tapos minsan na-amaze ka kasi ang ganda niyang magsalita. So, kumbaga, ang daming mga sweet nothings, yung tipong very, very sweet pagdating sa mga appreciation sa'yo, ganyan, sa mga nararamdaman niya. So, talagang mahuhulog ka talaga sa person na to. So, your feelings, no, Queen of Cups. So, of course, this is the energy of your energy, no, Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces. So, I feel like you are totally in love, no, with this person. You have the Four of Swords. Possible na kayo ay nagkaroon ng some issues in the past, pero naayos nyo, no? So, maaring nag-away kayo, tapos ngayon you are working things out. You feel like hindi naman to ganun kalaking issue, ganun kalaking problema. But as you're connecting energy, you have the moon. Meron ditong mga emotions na hindi na pag-uusapan, hindi na bibring up. Mga itinatagong nararamdaman. Pwedeng di kayo nagsasabi ng ibang mga feelings or yung parang finifilter nyo yung sasabihin nyo sa bawat isa para hindi kayo makasakit, no? Or parang hindi nyo ma-offend ang isa't isa. Knight of Wands. Yeah, I feel like there is something that you need to tell or say to each other. Meron kayong kailangan sabihin sa isa't isa na hindi nyo masabi-sabi. Pwedeng may kanya-kanya kayong problema na sinasarili nyo lang. Kasi ayaw nyong maapektuhan pareho kayo, no? Ayaw nyo maapektuhan ng inyong relationship. Siyempre, kapag may problema yung isa, maapektuhan yung other person. Same with the other person. But I think, no, kung kayo ay talagang nagmamahalan, so syempre dapat you share also yung through thick and thin, ups and downs, 'di ba? Magkasama kayo. So next, ito ay in the next future, no? Nearest future, King of Pentacles. Ooh, may Seven of Swords. Possible na meron kayong pag-aawayan tungkol sa pera or related sa career. Merong hindi nagsasabi ng situation sa trabaho or sa pera. Can be ikaw, pwede ikaw yung may issue sa pera, hindi mo pinapaalam sa person mo na apektuhan kasi na sarili mo lang. Or your person. Or pwedeng issue sa trabaho. Let's see what else. You and your person for Scorpio, what's going on in this relationship? Okay. Lumipad yung cards. Okay. Not showing, o, diba? Not showing true feelings. May tinatago. Taking a chance. O, not showing hand. Oo, medyo may strategic dito sa situation ninyo. Oh, not enough. So, pwedeng hindi siya kontento. Meron ditong hindi kontento sa relationship. Alam mo yung parang too good to be true. Tapos may kulang. Ganyan. I think in the near future, merong marireveal related sa pera. I like you. Yeah, I think you have feelings for each other. Mahal niyo yung isa't isa, but hindi siya sapat, no? Para maging matatag yung inyong relationship. Maaring meron kayong kanya-kanyang balak or plano para sa kanya-kanya ninyong career na hindi niyo sinasabi sa isa't isa, na mabubulaga na lang yung isa na, uy, aalis ka pala, uy, mag-abroad ka pala, uy, ganito pala yung problema mo, ganon. So, kaya magandang dyan is you talk, no? Pag-usapan yung maigi. What is the Seven of Swords? Ah, okay. May iba siyang option. Meron ditong may ibang option. Let's say, can be, itong third party situation, hindi naman siya laging tao, no? Although, pwede ring tao. Or someone na hindi related romantically. Let's say, meron siyang ibang plano para sa sarili niya sa career niya na hindi niya pinapaalam sa'yo. Na pwedeng itong taong to bigla na lang mag-decide na pumunta kung saan niya gusto. What is the Three of Cups? Nine of Swords. Yeah, meron ditong hindi nagpapakita ng totoo niyang problema. Sinasarili lang niya. Sino to? Yeah, I think your person, meron siyang sarili niyang issue, problema sa buhay, na hindi niya pinapaalam sa'yo. Na akala mo, things are doing well for the both of you. Pero parang meron siyang ibang plano na hindi ka kasama. Oo. Yun ang mahirap. May plano pero hindi ka kasama. May pag-travel eh. So, I think meron ditong pagbabago pagdating sa plano niya sa buhay. Merong gustong mag-explore ng iba pang opportunities. Ngayon, kung ito yung tipong alam niya na magkakahiwalay kayo, pwede kasing may mag-a-abroad dito, pwede yung person mo mag-a-abroad, lalayo or magtatrabaho sa ibang lugar na maapektuhan yung relationship nyo, hindi kayo madalas magkikita. Kaya siguro hindi na niya ino-open up. And I think sa person mo, mas priority niya yung kanyang career, yung kanyang yung kanyang trabaho, yung kanyang finances. Marami pa siyang pangarap kasi sa buhay. So, I don't think this person is going to settle down. I think para sa kanya, itong relationship na to is for experience. And wala pa siyang balak na mag-commit. So, if you are wanting na magkaroon kayo ng commitment, na kung nakaka-resonate ka rito, medyo malayo. Kasi magkaiba kayo ng gusto. Mm-mm. Ng plano. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye!